Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a good day to Dr. Romazila. So basically, this is how I want to present my digital assessment for science for young learner or for young children. And my name is Muhammad Zharif Fikri bin AZMAN. My matric number is D2019-209-1116. So firstly, the application or the innovation that I already did for digital assessment task, I choose a class dojo. Okay, let's go for the class dojo. So this is the manual of the class. So basically this is the main page of the class dojo. This is my account for the classes. I am Zharif on this class. So firstly, as a teacher, just choose the science for young children that I already did for the activities. So first thing first, we already seen that there is a classroom, portfolio, class story, and a message one. And this is the children that I had in the class. So the children should be signed in as a student, so they could be join the class. They could be do some activities or do some assessment for the class. And just go to the digital assessment. We have portfolio here. Just choose the portfolio, and here there's a lot of activities there that I already put. So this is our student, my student. So this is basically the activities or the assessment that I already did for the class. I have 7. So firstly, I want to show how to make some assessment or activities for the children. First, there's the left. On the left, there's all posts, there's activity ideas, and there's a create activity. If you click the activity ideas, this should be shown the how we want to make any assessment or any activities idea for the classes. Okay, just click on the create activity here. So this is how we create the activity or the assessment. The application already done for the activities, but I just put some anything activities as assessment for the class. So here is a title. So you should put what title you want to put there. Science for young children. And this is the instruction on how you want to do the instruction to the children how the activities or how the assessment should be done. So firstly, body part. So maybe body part 1.0 digital assessment, and the instruction should be below. Maybe you just want kid to draw a hand or eye, maybe just put the instruction there. Draw your eye and hand with your creativity. So that's how the instruction should be done. Maybe separate some space so the kids could be understand what the instruction of the activities. Here we have a response type, which is the children need to answer. Maybe you just want some assessment, just want children to answer on a text. We could choose a video, we could choose a photo, a drawing, and a worksheet. So here, as we can see the instruction, we choose a drawing. Just put a drawing one. And for a sign, we could also choose rather than only individually of the children or for the whole class. Maybe for this activity I will choose for the whole class, so there is just choose OK. And one more information, if you just want to record the instruction, maybe the kid comfortable or maybe will had a good understanding on the instruction, just record it. click the record. So basically, just this is the thing that we had to do to make the digital assessment, and then you just have to assign to class. So here on our portfolio as a teacher will appear the digital assessment that we already put for children or kids doing the activities by their own self. And we will see about our topic here. We will see about our instruction here, and we also have had a pending approval and 5 not yet submitted. So which means we just put the activities or the assessment. Maybe the kids will notice then after they get their notification for the class or assessment. Maybe if you want to change something about the instruction or the title, just click on the edit. We will see we could delete the activities, we could achieve the activities, and also we can edit the activities. Okay, so that's how it done. Maybe some features that in Dojo class we have a classroom. So for the classroom, if you click the children here, you could be some feedback to Zharif. So we could choose participating. So there's a point for Zharif. Then the children will get notification from their gadget. Alright, this application is suitable for the engagement from the teacher, the children, and also their parent. Because what we also have a class story, which is we could be done just like the other social media, just like Facebook, just like Instagram, and also YouTube. We could put some photo or video of the children in the class when they do their some activities in classes, so the parent, the children also can see that teacher has post something that already in class to put some memory for them. And then we also have message here. Message is the engagement from the teacher with the children's parent. And we could see here we have Zharif Fikri parents, which is Mr. Nur Azman. Okay, from here we could give a chat for the children parent. Maybe the children need to make some improvement, so maybe the children had a problem in the classes. The teacher could be tell their parent on the message platform. Just put some here. You just put send here, and the parent could be get the notification from the teacher. Next, I want to show you how the children done the assessment from their own gadget. Let's go. Okay, here I as a student, this is how the student want to make the digital assessment that teacher already did on the class dojo. Okay, first thing first, if the gadget didn't have application just like class dojo, just search on the Play Store or Apple App Store. Just click class dojo. So they should be appear here a class dojo. Just click the dojo class, install it. This is because I already installed. Just click open, and welcome to class dojo. So here I already signed in as a Zharif student that teachers already give invitation, or maybe if you don't sign it yet, just click on the login to another account, choose a student one, and there should be a QR code that kids or children need to scan. The children want to sign in as a student in class. And if you are already scanned the QR code and you are already get in the class, first thing first, you need to change the character. Okay, the character should be the creativity of the kids. The kids need to show or choose that what they love to. Maybe they could choose this one or this one or this one. This is the size of the monster or their characteristic in the class. Next, just click the color. Maybe you should choose green or yellow or blue. It's on their what they like, what they want to. And the eye, you also could choose here. This is for me. The mouth, and this is the bottom of the character. I love this. Just click yes. Let's continue what the children need to do. Before, the teacher already put some assessment that kids or children need to do. So just here we have the point. We have activities, home report, point, and reward, stories. You only just need to click the activities. So this will show the activities that teachers give for the children. Maybe we want to do some activities just like the 3.01. So here, and the activities should be appear like this. So there's some activities and also some instruction. The teacher asks for circling the real. Pilih dua dera yang digunakan dalam situasi di bawah. Just circle the activities that teachers give. So what features that we had here? We have a pencil. We have 7 type of color we could change by the kids self, and also we have rubber if the kids want to recorrect their assessment. Also after that we have the text. Later I will show how the text should be done. And the last feature is a sticker. A lot of sticker that children could be put in the activities if there is something that he really need to. Okay, let's see. We can zoom in and we can zoom out the activities. Okay, if we can see, the children is singing and playing, also singing and playing the guitar. So here we have hand, mouth, and here. The area that this cute little girl is just use hand to play the guitar, mouth to sing a song. Okay, just choose a pencil, click the black and circle it. Hand for playing guitar, mouth for singing. Okay, if you have something like this, you want to erase it, just click the undo. Okay, let's move forward on the second one. So here we used to eat chocolate. The boy is used to eat chocolate, so the rear is used, mouth for eat the chocolate, hand to hold the chocolate, and in the same, just click pencil, click the circle the hand and mouth. So there is it, how the activity should be done. Just click yes, the right one, zoom out, and the task is done. Just click the right button, the done. So the worksheet is done, and just send here, and the task is already submit to the teacher. And we also could see here we have complete 2 type of assessment that teacher already did, just like this. This is padankan organ deria dengan fungsi yang betul. Just use a pencil one. And next, let's see here. So there is some the instruction. That's how the instruction. So that there is a assessment or the question that teacher gave. Let's see what we need to do. So the instruction is draw your eye and hand with your creativity. It's for science for young children, and just click start. The instruction is we need to draw our hand and eye, so just click the pencil one, just draw the eye. So maybe if there's some children want to clean up the drawing, just clean with the erase. It's quite simple assessment teacher gave. And also we have text here, we could just type here. There is eye and there is a hand here. And if kids want to put some stickers, maybe she just love this sticker and just put here. So that's how the task drawing should be begun. So click done and also submit to teacher. And yes, just refresh and we could see that we already done 3 assessment that teacher gave. Also go to the main page and we have 7 activities. So there should be 5 activities because we already done the 3 activities, and also we could continue on the next activities. So that's how the student platform in class dojo. Okay, so this is for student 1. Now I want to show how the parenting dojo class could be organized. Okay, let's go for platform class dojo for parenting. As usual, just install in Play Store or any app store. Just click a dojo, class dojo. So this is the parent that I show that the kids could be use the dojo class, the parent also could be used the dojo class, and especially the teacher. Here is Zharif parent, which is this is the children, and this is Zharif parent, which is AZMAN, not AZMAN here. So the main page will appear about Zharif. Just click the Zharif. This is just for the detail for the kids, for parental reviewing. Here there is a features about message, in the bottom one. So there is some message from teacher. Just click and we will see what the teacher message will appear from the teacher. Just click Fikri here and it will appear that message teacher give. So Zharif is quite slow rather than other classmates, and hope you could give more time to communicate with him, and it should be how it done and make improvement for Zharif. So you also could answer or respond for the message. Just type just post, and that's how the engagement from the teacher and parenting. There's some stickers also, and we go back to the main page again. We could also see that the kids Zharif have one school, classes, family, and reward. As a parent, we could also give some point or some reward, learning time, just give a reward. So the school is for the teacher and home for their parent. We could also list down the connection rather than just their parent and maybe their sister or their brother. This is how the platform of parent should be done. Here we go. We come back on teacher's platform on class dojo, and from here, as you can see on the science for young children class, there's some notification up there, the red one. Just click there, and there's two portfolio that children already done. As we can see here, just like this is the drawing assessment. So this is Zharif assessment. Draw your eye and hand with your creativity. So there is eye and there is hand. We can put some comment, say that he do a good job, and after that we need to approve assessment, and then on Zharif dojo class we'll get the notification that activity is already approved. As you can see here, one approve and for not yet submit. Okay, alright, as you can see here, we have 3 assessment that Zharif done. Just click as usual. You can write some comment and see the progress of the assessment. Okay, and then if there is anything wrong, just return as a draft. If everything's going good, just approve the assessment. You also could like it, make some comment, just tell something you are doing well, and post. So that's how the digital assessment for science young children done. Then there's also a message here, as you can see. It's from Zharif parent, which is Nur AZMAN, and this is how the interaction from teacher and parent. It's only for the manual on using dojo class. So that is the end